Kairuruku. Kairuruku harnesses sound waves, solves problems, and has a futuristic reggae ahua. After being raised by androids from the future, Kairuruku was provided with the insight to be able to create technological and futuristic outcomes for people. She uses her skills to tautoko the team of Reo Māori warriors she works with. Pou Kaiawha. Raised by the indigenous people of Aitutaki on Earth, Pou Kaiawha works behind the scenes but will lead from the front to consume any storms to protect others. Her electrical abilities are used as a mighty force of energy and attitude to manage the many tasks, personalities and responsibilities that come her way. Hine Arorangi. Descending from the heavens, Hine Arorangi appears in and out of reality, floating in the wind. Ka rongo te ao I tōna reo tūi hei mātāwa I te wairua. She is orbited by 6 stars that act as portals to other worlds that she crosses between. Known as the Enchantress, she is always able to get her way and also achieve any tasks set before her. Mahuika. At the same moment an attack was launched against Matatuhi to destroy and silence him forever, Mahuika burst to life. Her red sulphurous hair blazing like cosmic fire around her, ready to protect and purify through creation or consumption of life. Drawing power, strength and immortality from her magical mato, a gift carved for her by Tamanui Te Rā himself, Mahuika is able to transform, fly and manipulate cosmic fire, but is duty-bound to uphold the propriety of man. Waiponamu, the leader of her people standing on her own 2 feet. Waiponamu was born from the whenua in the sacred waters of the south. Emerging from a fractured taonga, she has fought many battles only to transcend into a trance of deity-like energy. Her and her son Auraki spend their days in a peaceful meadow learning the ways of their ancestors. Tamaka. Possessing the ability to drop fire on anything he touches, Tamaka keeps others on their feet. After training in the lava pits deep under the earth for 7 years, he re-emerged seeking the vast opportunities that life has to offer. His warm ahua instills mauri and laughter into the lives of many. Wahine Rikoriko. Originating from the moana of the north, Wahine Rikoriko has made her way to the south to gain more knowledge of the land and the people she will protect. Like the sun, she shines brightly for everyone to see. Her words bring peace, and her healing potions instill new mauri wherever she goes. Don't let her bright nature fool you. She has strength, agility and intelligence to support the greater good of the world. Tahu Reka, manipulator of dark matter and sound waves, he has the ability to enhance the mauri and the good vibes of anyone he comes across. I'd cross him and watch him unleash the beast from the Wairua realm, harnessing the mana of his tupuna through sound. Matatuhi. A natural-born trickster and all-round comedic character, Matatuhi is the people's champion. Using his wit and instincts to overcome his opponents, he is trained with the local tohunga in his village and was gifted a sacred tefa tefa by Tū Batauinga himself. With this weapon, he has gained the ability of foresight, able to see events before they happen and use this as a strategy to prepare for anything. Help defend against evil powers which seek to destroy Te Reo Māori. We locate lands and people where the language is suppressed or extinct, and our powers revive and replenish the people, the land and the language.